What is going on, guys? Sebastian here today, and today what we're gonna basically discuss is I'm starting a new series. Basically, I am gonna test if influencer marketing is still profitable and it still works on the Instagram platform for dropshipping. So let's get into it right now. I'm gonna throw a hat on because I have not done my hair yet today. Okay, so basically what I'm discussing is I'm gonna be creating a dropshipping store. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm creating it, basically walking you through exactly what I'm doing with the business, and then showing you guys how I'm finding products and stuff. And then after that, I'm going to be going and finding influencers and testing them out, seeing if they're actually working still. I may actually use some influencers that have made me a decent amount of money in like a year or 2 years ago and see if they actually still work, because I'm still in contact with some of them, because I've actually became not close with them, but like I've just stayed in contact with them in case I need to run promotions on another business. So that may be a possibility. I may use that. I'm not too sure yet, but I just want to do this because I've got kind of to the point where I'm not dropshipping as much. I'm more so ordering products in bulk and selling them online because it's somewhat way more profitable. Like I've seen people try to sell products that I source for 20 bucks on AliExpress and sell for 40 that you can actually source for like $5 on Alibaba. So it just seems more profitable and more, I don't know, it seems more practical to do, as well as you can build, it's easier to build a brand when you have super fast shipping and you can actually show them that you're shipping them from the United States, as well as you can market that you're a US based company and you ship out of, I don't know, I ship out of California, so that's what I get to say as well. I get to say, you know, oh, we ship out of California, sweet. So that's kind of a plus, but that's beside the point completely. We're gonna discuss dropshipping. So that's kind of what the overview is going to be. It's gonna be broken up into individual videos where I basically showcase everything regarding that. And then I will show you guys like my product, my actual store, like the name of the store, and then how many orders I get and all of that stuff. And if I fail, I'm still gonna post this because I literally just want to show you guys what happens, like, and how I potentially go out and test these products and stuff along those lines, just because I think you guys should maybe get value from this. I think once I post the influencers that I use, if they actually work well, they're gonna get flooded with all of you guys trying to market on there, which is no worries. I mean, I did the same thing when I was super beginner level in dropshipping. I would try to look for people talking about a certain influencer or a certain product and then try to hop on it. But no worries, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna be selling women's jewelry. It's so literally that's what I've made, or just jewelry in general, maybe men's or women's, but as you guys know, Christmas is coming up, so you wanna start targeting like people whose parent or like whose wife would want something, or girlfriend. Like for me yesterday, I just ordered something from Shopify, from a Shopify store for my mom, because she literally texted in a group chat for our family. She was like, oh my gosh, it would make my day, or like I hope I get this in my stocking. And I saw it and I was like, okay, whatever, it's like 30 bucks, I'll just order it, like who cares. And you know, it was on Shopify, and it was one of those things where I'm buying a gift for my mom. Like that's kind of the deal. And I bet a ton of other people have done that, and their wives have maybe seen a product and been like, you know, husband, I want this, or honey, I want this, please buy it for me. And then they want to make the person happy, so they'll buy them a product. And that's kind of how it goes, like on a big scale. So that's what I'm going to be trying to accomplish. I have a few women's products that I have, and they do have meaning behind the products, and then I'm gonna be marketing them to men and say, you know, like, hey, your girl would love this product, like buy it. So that's generally what I'm gonna be doing, but there is gonna be a lot more going into it. I'll show you guys some cool tricks and tips that I do to set up my website as well. There are some sweet little features I can add in that make the website look pretty sweet and make it look like a legitimate website rather than just someone whipped it up in like a second. Like it's gonna look very sleek, and I'm just excited for this because I haven't really been posting much content that's actually like challenged me. It's literally just been like putting the camera on and recording some random video. But yeah, we're gonna basically start that off right now. Well, somewhat. So I'm gonna actually record the whole series, like boom, 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 boom. Every single day I do something. And then after I finish the whole series, like I'll post on my Instagram or Snapchat. If you guys aren't following me, I'll have links in the description for both of those. I'll post my results before I even post the video. So I'll say like, hey, these are my sales for the day, whatever. I've gotten this many views, I spent this much on ads. And then after I'm finished, like I'll try influencers for a week or so. If I get results and I do well, maybe I'll give away the store. If I don't do well, I'll still showcase the sales and everything, and maybe I'll still give away the store or something along those lines. So look forward to this whole series. I'm super excited for it just because it will challenge myself, since I haven't done influencer marketing in probably over a year. I mean, I've dabbled like here and there, but I was really successful with it over a year ago, and a lot has changed since then. I know that for a fact, but I have always been, you know, one of my key sort of pros, or my, I guess one thing I'm strong in, has been creating super enticing product captions, or you know, advertising captions. The caption that you use when you're doing influencer posts on a promoted page, when you like promote a product or something on a specific post. I actually am really good at creating those little like descriptions, or like the little text that you use to post a picture. So I'm great at that. That's one of my strong suits. So I think I should do decently well to get sales. I know what the people are looking for right now, since again, it is December's coming up, so I'm fairly like knowledgeable in the subject. So I should do well. Like I don't see why I can't do, I don't know, $1,000 in a week. It's very simple to do. But this is all just, you know, like overview. I'm just kind of discussing it with you guys. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure you do subscribe and you do hit the notification bell. This is going to be super awesome and super beneficial for you guys, I believe, just because if you've ever wanted to get started with this business model, a ton of people, you know, this was me. I heard of a business model and I maybe didn't start it because I didn't know everything that went into the business. And so this is gonna walk you through literally everything that goes into it, from web design, from, you know, even setting up your Shopify account, to web design, to finding the right product, to creating the right product description, and then finding the right photo to you know, post for your ad, you know, because I remember I didn't know what to post as well. And I found a mentor for that, and he actually really helped me out with that. So then I got pretty laser focused with what I was supposed to promote and stuff. But that's kind of where I see a lot of you guys at right now. A lot of you guys have hit me up and have been saying that you have no idea how to find the right product and all this stuff. So I'm gonna try and help you guys out as much as possible. But again, this is just gonna be a little overview, like discussing what I am going to be working on. So give me some time and I should have some results for you guys in a few weeks, I would say. Like I will probably set up the store. I've already imported some products, so I have to kind of show you guys how to do that. Finding the products is very simple. Like literally people think it's some sort of mystery and it's like impossible. No, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. And then setting up the store, I haven't really worded anything on the store, like set it all up, so I'll show you guys that and a ton more. So look forward to that. Again, click the notification bell so you can actually be notified when I do post a video with this series. This is gonna be the overview, you know, #1 of the series, and then I'll post the series, like, I don't know, I'll update you guys in probably a week or two, because I want to record it all and then post it so that I don't get skewed results. So I don't want you guys buying products on my store when you guys aren't even potentially like looking at the influencer post. I want to make sure it's all truly natural. I don't want any, you know, I don't want to get 1 million visits to the site as well. I just want to make sure it's all legitimate so I can help you guys out truly. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Again, click the subscribe and notification bell if you want to be notified when I do post another video regarding this series or any other video in the near future. So with that being said, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in the future. Oh, by the way, like I'm gonna I'll post the videos probably in a week or two, but before then it's probably just gonna be other videos discussing like how to find products and stuff along those lines that should benefit you. I don't really know what other videos I should post. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do want. I don't want to be repetitive. Like I think that's something a lot of people on YouTube tend to do, become super repetitive and just reword all of their videos and basically kind of talk about the same thing, which I don't want to do that. I just want to make pure content for you guys that you guys can actually get value from. But other than that, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video.